Guys, now let's see what Swiss franc JPY will give us for the day. Let's see what market is going to be doing for us for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So first thing first, to those that are yet to subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button, make sure you like and share, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. But if you take a look at your Swiss franc JPY right now, you see that it is dropping. Now, first, you want to know the rules of trading, which is first, know the trend. Second, trade with the trend. You can clearly see on this our Swiss franc JPY, we are in a downtrend move. This is it right here. So market is currently dropping and it is coming to tap this our support. Now, if you take a look at this movement, at first market was able to push up right to tap this resistance. Take a look at it, tap this our resistance. Then it dropped to test tap our support level, right? This is our support level. Market will now eventually come back again to test this level, which is our resistance level, thereby giving us a double top. So market has literally tapped our rejected from our resistance, and now it has now dropped close to our support level, push up. Now market is now dropping to come to properly tap our support level. So this is to tell you that a bearish move is still what you are expecting for the day. So you are still expecting that Swiss franc drop. It is able to tap our support, which is a level 200. Currently, market is trading at 201.466. You can see 201.466. But with this moment, we should be expecting it to drop to a level of 200.600. So that is what we're expecting for the day on our Swiss franc JPY. So very sure for the day what to be expecting. So with such a movement, we should be seeing it give us between 70 to 80 pips. Very sure Swiss franc JPY. If there will be any changes to this prediction, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for it to like and share also.